Hello friends, welcome to classes of Preet. Today I am going to tell you about the operators in Java. So let's start. So what is operator and what is operand? So an operator is basically a symbol or token which performs arithmetical or logical operations to give meaningful results. Okay. So operator is basically a symbol or a token which helps us to do the arithmetical or logical operations which is meaningful. Okay. The value which are involved in the operations are termed as operands. So the value which is involved for the operations is termed as operands. Okay. Now see here example of operands and operators. I have written here int x equals to a plus b minus c slash 3 means divided by 3 into 5. So see here operators are equals to are operators, plus is operator, minus is operator, division the slash is operator, and this into sign this star is an operator. So and what are operands? Operands are x, okay, a, b and c are the operands in this example. Okay, now let us see types of operators. So there are how many operators? Let's see. First is assignment operator, second is arithmetical operator, third is relational operator, fourth is logical operator, fifth is bitwise operator, and sixth is shift operator. Mainly we learn about four operators: assignment, arithmetical, relational and logical operator. Okay, so see here, what is assignment operator? Assignment operator is the operator which is used to assign or initialize a value to a variable. Means assignment operator is the operator which is used to assign or initialize a value to a variable, like equals to a equals to 4. In this we comes to know that the value of a is 4. Value of a is 4 because of this equals to sign. Okay, so this is called an assignment operator. Now see here operators. Now we will learn about three operators, that is your arithmetic operator, arithmetical operator, logical operator and relational operator. Okay, in this video I will talk about only arithmetical operator. Okay, so let's start. Arithmetical operator. Arithmetical operators are those operators which are used to perform mathematical operations over the operands. So arithmetical operators are those operators which are used to perform mathematical operations, okay, over the operands. Now see here classification of arithmetical operators. Arithmetical operators are of two types. Okay, first is your unary arithmetical operators and second is your binary arithmetical operators. So unary arithmetical operators are the operator over only one operand, means they operate over only one operand. You can see here they operate over only one operand. And binary arithmetical operators are those operators which operate over two operands. Okay, now see here unary arithmetical operator. I am talking about unary arithmetical operator. Okay, this one unary arithmetical operator. Okay, binary or arithmetical operator is like plus, minus, okay, then slash, then star. These are the binary arithmetical operators. So we will talk about unary arithmetical operators. So unary arithmetical operators are of four types. unary plus plus, unary minus minus, unary plus and unary minus. So unary plus plus is also divided into two parts: pre-increment operator, post-increment operator. Okay, and unary minus minus is also divided into two parts: pre-decrement operator, post-decrement operator. I'm sorry, here it will be post. Yeah, post-decrement operator. Okay. Now, what is unary plus and unary minus? So, unary plus, example, int x equals to 10, int y equals to plus x. Okay. 1 minute. Yeah. See here, now output is your 10, 10 means value of x equals to 10 and value of y is also 10. How? Now see here, plus operator is giving the value in signs, means if we have written plus x means the value is in plus, means in positive, value is positive. Okay, and here see we have given minus x, so the number means the value is in negative, the value is negative. Okay, minus 10. So this is the difference between unary plus and unary minus. Okay, now I will talk about unary plus plus and unary minus minus. Okay, now see here, pre-increment operator of unary plus plus. Okay, now see here, pre-increment means in case of pre-increment operator, first the value of the variable is incremented and then the incremented value is initialized, printed or used. Okay, means first the value is incremented, then only the incremented value, then only the incremented value is printed in the output. Okay, first it is incremented, then it is printed. Now I will show you, 1 second. Now see here, I have written here one example, int x equals to 10, int y equals to plus x. Okay, so output is your 10 and 11. Okay, output is your 10 and 11. Now see here how it is 10 means x value is 10 and y value is 11. Now see here what it is doing. Here first of all we will write here x and y. Y. Okay, y. Then in x is your 10. Okay, and y is asked that plus x means x equals to 10. Now it is given plus x means now it will cut and it will be 11. Now the value of y equals to 11. So x equals to 10 and y equals to 11. Okay. If it is given that in this place, if it is given x plus plus, okay, x plus plus, then our output will be x equals to 11, y equals to 10. Okay, why? Because first x is getting printed. Okay, x is your 10, then y equals to plus 10 x plus plus, so x equals to your 10, so x first means 10 will be printed, then plus sign, then it will be incremented and 10 will be cut down and it will be written 11. So x equals to 11 and y equals to your 10 in this post incremented operator. Okay, this was pre-incremented operator and this is post incremented operator, which I have told you, x plus plus. In case of post incremented operator, first the current value of the variable is initialized and then the value is incremented. Now see here, x plus plus, x can be any variable here. Okay, now pre-decremented operator, minus minus x. In case of pre-decrement operator, first the value of the variable is decremented and then the decremented value is initialized, printed or used. Okay, first of all the value is getting initialized. Okay, means the value is getting incremented, then only it is printed in the output. Now let me write here int x. Okay, int x, sorry for bad handwriting. Int x equals to 10. Okay, int y equals to minus minus x. Now the output will be output. Okay, output will be 10 and 9. Why? First x equals to 10 means x is getting printed here. Okay, then y's value is getting printed, so y equals to minus minus x. So first 10 is getting decreased and then the y value of y is getting printed. That's why y equals to 9 and x equals to 10. Okay, and in post decremented operator, in case of post decrement operator, first the current value of the variable is initialized, printed, used, and then the value is decremented. Okay, now I am writing here c, x equals to your 10. Okay, and y equals to your x minus minus, x minus minus. Okay, now the output will be your, what will be the output? Output will be your 9, x equals to 9 and y equals to 10. Why? First the value of, means x equals to your 10 and y equals to x, so 10 is getting the value, y is getting the value of x, means 10 is going in this y. Okay, and then it is x is getting decremented, means x is getting decreased. So after decrease the x value will be 9 but y value will be 10. Okay, in the next video I will clear this. Okay, I will show you how to do the rough work also. So thank you for watching this video. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe my channel so that you can get my latest updates. Thank you for watching this video.